Hi, my name is Mark and welcome to my channel, Fishing Around Colorado Springs. This is one of my how to cook over a campfire videos. If you watched the last cooking video I did last night, I made how to cook steak fajitas over a campfire. And I had a lot left over. So this morning, I'm going to use the leftover meat to make some campfire egg burritos. Now remember, my recipes are typically extremely simple to make. And if you have leftovers from the night before, you might as well repurpose for another meal. It just makes sense. So here is my leftover steak and peppers and onions. I went ahead and I cut up the steak so there would be little bite-sized pieces. So I'm gonna get that on and get that heated up. And right here, I have a bowl of eggs that I already scrambled and ready to go. So as soon as my steak starts to heat through, I'm gonna add the eggs. Well, all right, I think my steak is pretty much done. I had to throw one more piece of wood on the fire, keep it going, but I have been checking it. It is pretty hot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my steak over the side, bring the skillet up this way a little bit. Technical difficulties. Let's add the eggs. All right, these eggs shouldn't take very long to cook. Everything is almost ready. That looks pretty tasty. My eyes are watering from all of the smoke from that fire chasing me around. So, I have some leftover cheese right here. Let's get some steak in there. This looks really good. I'm really hungry. You can't ask for anything better than an egg burrito than the leftover steak fajita from the night before. It is absolutely amazing. The eggs are cooked just right. A little fajita juice got in the eggs and gave that some good flavor as well. The steak isn't tough because I cooked the steak basically medium rare last night for the steak fajitas. So now they're more like medium well, which is really perfect. The peppers just really add to it along with the onions. So besides making this, I made a few other videos while I'm here camping, and they are where to go camping around Colorado, featuring Heaton Bay, where I'm at, right by the Dillon Reservoir. Obviously, steak fajitas, and I also did a fishing video, and that's gonna be that's a catch, cook, and clean. And I may surprise you with one or two other videos, who knows? So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. And you have an amazing time cooking over the campfire wherever you may be camping.